guys, today we're opening packs of a Vegeta toy with Super Saiyan blue hair, and we'll be opening a Goku toy.
That you can change its hands.
Here we go.
Hi guys, today we're gonna opening Vegeta.
You already said that.
Goku. Okay, yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa. This is amazing.
All right, you
I
first.
see you guys.
Me
He has different hands you can use. So you can take off his hands,
So he's got a fist.
and he has hands. Like
He's got
open
a
hands.
fist, and then he's got open hands.
These are really in the packaging. There we go. One hand.
Where's the other fish?
Here.
Oh, okay.
This is really hard, people.
Okay, just do one, just so they can see.
Guys, get hit.
Hame,
Hame,
All right, show it, Logan.
So, the way you do
Did you
it,
put the finger? I mean, the hand?
because that other hand there is supposed to be this hand.
Oh.
This is hard to put on too. Maybe you should have never taken it off.
It's hard.
Can you do it?
All right,
We
let's
don't
try.
want to go